The Principality of Asturias is a little known yet a wonderful region in the north of Spain. This beautiful land is known for its intense colours, the green of its marvellous vegetation contrasting with the deep blue of the Cantabrian Sea. It's a magical place surrounded by beaches and mountains, which, thanks to its seductive vegetation, stays green all year. It's a place that invites you to discover, enjoying its nature, its gastronomy, and of course the affection of the Asturian people. It's just in the middle of this natural paradise where you can find José at work. He's a guy with a special love and curiosity for nature. He grows trees and works his orchard, sharing his experiences on social media. He hopes to show everyone all his gardening secrets. It's fun, simple, and best of all, it's free. So whether you are a nature lover, whether you just want to learn how to grow your own food, or whether you want to make your garden a place to truly enjoy, you're definitely in the right place here.
Salgo, los días oscuros se van con el sol radiante. Cultivo algo puro, no entiendo de conservantes. Comida en abundancia, pero con toque exquisito. Ponte otro vídeo pa' que abras el apetito.
Hi everyone, this is José and I'd like to welcome you to Laderas del Naranco, a meeting place for gardening and food lovers where I will show you the secrets of my Asturian garden. Down in the box in the description of this video you can find the links to my original project in Spanish. If you like this video, subscribe, it's free. You can support my content with a like, a comment or by sharing this video with your friends. See you on the net!
Es el plaf, tío. Que tras las baldosas de mármol creciera la semilla que yo he plantado de mi árbol. El cuidado de la naturaleza será por algo. Contaminan el planeta que yo salvo. Salgo, los días oscuros se van con el sol radiante. Cultivo algo puro, no entiendo de conservantes. Comida en abundancia pero con toque exquisito. Ponte otro vídeo pa' que abras el apetito. Qué delito tiene un tipo que baila bajo la lluvia, haciendo florecer la tierra de los paisajes de Asturias. A mí que me gusta el fútbol, vivo abonado a estos campos. Con el canto del gallo me levanto. Laderas del Naranco. Pudo suceder que no sea todo artificio. No se hagas con dinero y con sudor sacrificio. Caerán las frutas que con la mano acaricio. Me dejó la piel, tirarla sería un desperdicio, bro.